Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Little One Vaporizer by TVAPE. The Little One is a new miniature dry herb vaporizer. The kit comes in a cardboard box with a plastic slide-out insert. The kit contents include a user manual, a USB charging cable, and the Little One dry herb vaporizer. The Little One contains an anodized aluminum shell with a built-in 850 mAh battery. It features a one-button design and can be charged via the micro USB port located near the bottom. The bottom contains an airflow control tab. The mouthpiece is made of glass and the unit can be disassembled into several parts for cleaning. The conduction heating chamber is made of ceramic with a stainless steel screen. To get started, take off the mouthpiece and load the chamber with dry herbs. Replace the mouthpiece tightly. Press the button 5 times quickly. The Little One will vibrate and the LED light will pulse green. The chamber will heat up for about 45 seconds at a temperature of 215 degrees Celsius or 419 degrees Fahrenheit. Once heated, the Little One will vibrate once more. And that's it, you're ready to vape. I was impressed with the Little One Vaporizer. At first I wasn't sure if I'd like it. I thought the chamber would be too small, the battery life too short, and with no options and only one temperature setting, it wouldn't be customizable. What I found is that it's actually perfect for what it is. A small, discreet, sneakable device. The chamber is a great size for several hits. I like the airflow option, however I just keep it on full open. The vibration is an excellent feature. You can enjoy your surroundings while you wait instead of staring at a small pulsing light. The battery life is around 20 minutes. I got about 5.5 sessions on a full battery. It also has an auto shutoff feature if you forget to turn it off. My only cons are that the shell can get a little warm along with the mouthpiece, especially when doing 2 sessions back to back. It also doesn't come with any packing or cleaning accessories, which would be nice if it was your first vaporizer and you didn't have any tools yet. Overall, I like the stealthy size and performance of the Little One, and I think it makes for a great affordable pocket vaporizer. The Little One currently runs in the $40 range, and it comes in the color of black. If you'd like to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.